equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To upgrade the RAM in your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3, start by gathering your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your laptop and unplug it. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once the panel is off, locate the RAM slots. Carefully release the clips on either side of the existing RAM module. Gently pull it out at a 30-degree angle. Before inserting the new RAM, ensure the slots are clean. Use compressed air to remove any dust. Now, take your new RAM module. Align it with the slot and press down firmly until the clips click into place. Double-check that it's secure. Reattach the back panel, ensuring all screws are tightened. Power on your laptop and check the system properties to confirm the new RAM is recognized. If you need assistance, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, pickup and delivery at your home, and you'll receive a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just a hassle-free upgrade. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.